Rutte, beserta delegasi, Bapak Ibu sekalian yang saya hormati. Merupakan kehormatan bagi saya untuk menerima kembali kunjungan Perdana Menteri Rutte ke Indonesia setelah kunjungan beliau ke Jakarta 3 tahun yang lalu. Belanda merupakan salah satu mitra penting Indonesia di Eropa, baik di bidang perdagangan, investasi maupun pariwisata. Dan di antara negara Eropa, Belanda merupakan mitra perdagangan nomor 2 terbesar dan mitra investasi nomor 1 dan mendatangkan wisatawan nomor 4 terbesar dari Eropa. Kerjasama ini akan terus kita perkuat dengan menggunakan kerangka kemitraan komprehensif yang sudah dimiliki oleh kedua negara Indonesia dan Belanda. Di tengah situasi perekonomian dunia yang mengalami tren pelemahan, kita perlu berupaya meningkatkan kerjasama ekonomi dengan banyak mitra, termasuk dengan Belanda. Di bidang perdagangan, kita sepakat untuk terus meningkatkan perdagangan yang terbuka dan fair. Dalam konteks ini, saya sampaikan kembali concern Indonesia untuk kebijakan Uni Eropa terhadap kelapa sawit. Saya juga menghargai kerjasama yang baru saja ditandatangani oleh Indonesia dan Belanda di New York tanggal 26 September 2019 yang lalu mengenai pengembangan kapasitas petani kecil sawit untuk menghasilkan kelapa sawit yang lestari. Dan di bidang investasi, saya mengajak Belanda untuk meningkatkan kemitraan di bidang infrastruktur maritim dan pengelolaan air. Saya sampaikan kepada Perdana Menteri Rutte bahwa dalam 5 tahun ke depan, saya akan memberikan prioritas pada pengembangan sumber daya manusia. Oleh karena itu, pendidikan menjadi sangat penting, artinya terutama pendidikan vokasi. Dan dalam pertemuan kita juga membahas upaya meningkatkan kerjasama di bidang vokasi, termasuk di bidang kemaritiman dan keperawatan. Sebagai penutup, saya sampaikan apresiasi kepada pemerintah Belanda yang secara konsisten tegas menghormati kedaulatan negara Republik Indonesia. Demikian sedikit yang bisa saya sampaikan. Saya mengundang dengan hormat Perdana Menteri Mark Rutte untuk menyampaikan pandangannya. Terima kasih.
Well, first, I'd like to thank President Widodo for this warm reception. This is my third visit to Indonesia as Prime Minister of the Netherlands, and as always, it's a pleasure to be here. Our two countries enjoy excellent and very close ties, not only at the political level, but also at the level of the people-to-people contact. Many Dutch people have a bond with Indonesia, either directly or through their family history. And I'm proud to say I belong to that group myself. There are many historical ties between us, but we are also forging many new ties, looking to the future. Through study programs in the Netherlands, for example, through tourism, and of course, through our country's trade and enterprise relations. In 2018, the goods trade between Indonesia and the Netherlands totaled no less than 3.7 billion euros. And there's plenty of scope to increase that figure. President Widodo and I talked about stepping up the partnership between our countries even further. For example, in the field of education. I'm delighted that next June we'll be holding a special week of events called WINNER, the Week for Indonesian Netherlands Education and Research. It's an appropriate acronym because both our countries stand to win if we can make use of each other's knowledge and know-how. So it's also fitting that this afternoon I will be paying a visit to the IPC Corporate University in Bogor. The President and I also discussed the complex issue of palm oil and the need for more sustainable production. This is an area in which we are working to turn a complex issue into an opportunity. Recently, an MOU was signed, as the President already mentioned, and that MOU is particularly focusing on the position of smallholders. We are also expanding our existing partnership agreements. Other areas of cooperation between us include water, higher education, port development, the healthcare sector, and of course the circular economy. But there are many more areas where we have real potential, like climate action, and of course this big issue of waste management. I hope that together we can seize, and we will seize, these opportunities. Later today I will have the honor of officially opening the renovated Dutch embassy here in Jakarta. The building is now fit for the future, which makes it a fitting symbol of the relationship between the Netherlands and Indonesia. A relationship which is not only built on the solid foundation of historical and personal ties, but particularly now focusing on a joint future together. And I look forward to building that future relationship together with President Widodo. Again, thank you so much for your warm hospitality and friendship.